Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we'll be talking about the arrangement management within DAC6pro. Let's dive right in. To manage arrangements in DAC6pro, you must be either set as arrangement admin or arrangement creator. Without these rights, you can still manage arrangements once you're set as arrangement owner of that arrangement. But I'll explain more about this later in the video. Let's start by looking at the overview of arrangements per client. As you can see on the screen, we have an organized layout that provides an overview of all the arrangements of a particular client. Now let's add an arrangement. To do this, you click on the Add Arrangement button. Here, you need to provide an arrangement name. That needs to be at least 6 characters. Optionally, you can add an internal reference of your choice. The tool can automatically generate one for you as well. You can mark the arrangement as confidential if necessary, and this mark helps your other users know how to manage this arrangement. Next, let's move on to the user access settings. You must assign at least one preparer and one reviewer to this arrangement. This can be the same person. Additionally, you can assign users as viewers who can only view the arrangement data. They are also able to place comments within the arrangement. Lastly, you have the option to change the arrangement owner. As said before, the owner has the authority to edit and delete the arrangement, as well as modify user access. By default, the creator of the arrangement is automatically set as the owner. Once you're satisfied with the arrangement settings, simply click on the Create button. You'll then see the newly created arrangement appear in the overview. To manage an arrangement, you can click on the 3 dots next to it. This will give you access to various actions such as editing, duplicating, reverting, deleting, and viewing the history. And there you have it. That wraps up the demo video of managing arrangements within DAC6pro. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to the support team. We hope to see you in the next video.